Hi guys, it's Sandy here. Today I have a very exciting video. Firstly, if you're new here, do make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm a South African beauty and lifestyle YouTuber and I try to post videos every week. Now today I have this big box full of Sheglam makeup. Now the brand Sheglam is actually a newly released makeup line from Shein. I also do have a discount code for Sheglam which you can use on the Sheglam website or the Shein website, and I will put it on the screen and link it down below in the description. It's Q1 Sandycorn 101. So let's get into this box. Now, one of the main reasons they sent me this package was for the launch of their multifaceted beauty sponge. Now it comes in 4 different colors. There's green, pink, beige, as well as black. Now I haven't tried out the sponge. I will use it in my next video. This is just a haul. What's really cool about this sponge is all of these angles should see a decent size swelling when this is wet. It's also made with antibacterial technology, which is something I really appreciate. And what's really nice is it comes with this portable like little cage for your beauty sponge. So when you're traveling, you know, you can just keep it in this. It's going to stay safe, it's going to stay clean, it's not going to make any of your other products dirty. I personally have this problem of, you know, leaving my sponge around my makeup station and it just gets messed and it messes everything, and this is just so convenient. And it's so soft, like this material itself. And this little set retails for $3.5, which is around 52, 53 rand. It's just this shipping that may be a little bit of a problem if you're in South Africa, but a lot of South Africans these days are more comfortable with buying online. And if you are ordering, you know, clothes from Shein, you can still pop in some of the Sheglam makeup products in your cart. I was actually really excited to get this. It's the clear and bright liquid blush. The packaging is just so cute. That's another thing with Sheglam, like their packaging feels so expensive, but the products are so affordable. And just look at this, just look at this. Oh my goodness, how cute is this? So this is actually a soft shimmer blush with like a little bit of a shimmer gold going on, and it smells absolutely divine. And this retails for 72 rand. Next, they sent over the Beach Sunset 9-pan eyeshadow palette. Like, I'm always so excited when I get a new eyeshadow palette. It's actually quite big. I wasn't expecting it to be this big. I was expecting something like the ColourPop eyeshadow palette size, and that is incredibly tiny. So you're getting a lot more product out of this. Let me stop talking and open this up. I haven't swatched it yet. I will go ahead and I will do some swatches for you in a separate shot so you can see how these colors perform. But I have used some of the eyeshadows before and I was very impressed. So I definitely have high hopes for this. Also, those shimmers are looking gorgeous and I really can't wait to do some fun looks with this. Oh yes, and the Beach Sunset palette retails for 96 rand. Hoo-hoo! They also sent me the Complex Pro foundation, and this is in the shade Cappuccino. Now, when I opened this the first time, I almost had a heart attack. Not only does it come in a box, right? Because if you're from South Africa, you know that most of our drugstore foundations do not come in boxes, right? So the box was an extreme privilege alone. But just wait for this, It comes in a velvet pouch. You can see I'm not used to such nice things here in South Africa. The way we get treated with our makeup products, it's really not fair. It's in this gorgeous frosted bottle. So this is actually meant to be a matte to like semi-matte finish. It's supposed to be lightweight and really give your skin that airbrushed effect. This is also supposed to be long lasting and sweat proof. This foundation has CBD extract in it, great for inflammation. So it's always nice to actually have a skincare product that's working on nourishing your skin. So I did have to pick my shade online, and this is looking very promising. I think this is actually going to be my perfect shade, and this retails for 144 Rand, which is incredibly affordable for a foundation, might I add. Then they sent over the 12-hour coverage concealer, and I don't know if you can see this packaging, but it is life. It is literally life. This is supposed to be a medium to full coverage foundation, and it's supposed to dry matte, and as the name suggests, this should be great for whole day use, as this should last around 12 hours. This is also infused with some plant extracts so as to soothe any inflammation. So this should be great for me, you know, because I often put this on top of my acne that I have going on my cheeks. Oh, and before I forget, the concealer retails for 64 Rand. Ooh, I'm really excited to try out this. And this is the Stereo Face 6-pan face palette. And this face palette retails for 96 Rand, I believe. Like, you know, in South Africa they'd be selling this for like 300-400 Rand, no shame. Look at the size. Look at the size. This is a proper size. So we have like 3 highlighting shades, and then we have a shimmer blush shade and a shimmer contour shade and a matte contour shade. I personally, you know, mostly make use of matte contour shades, and I think this might actually work really well with my skin tone. I'll go ahead and do some swatches of each of these gorgeous shades. Then they also sent over their liquid lipstick trio set. This retails for I think 96 Rand. They actually sent this to me before, so this is a duplicate. I'm going to hold on to this. I am not going to be using this set. I'm actually using this liquid lipstick on my lips now, and this is in the shade Holly. I absolutely love these liquid lipsticks, eh? Like, I can wear them under my mask the whole day and it doesn't like start flaking like a lot of liquid lipsticks do. Then they sent over their Baked and Glow setting powder, and this retails for 64 Rand full price, but it's currently on sale on their website for 40 Rand. Even me saying these prices right now sounds so crazy, because where can I do a makeup haul in South Africa with makeup that's that price? And the quality though, the quality, I mean, just look at this packaging as well. This is in the shade Cappuccino, and it's got the little powder puff, and then you just take this off and you can or you can use your makeup sponge to just, you know, set your foundation. Remember, I will link all the products listed in this video down below in the description. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you aren't. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. Don't forget to follow my socials, which will be linked down below in the description, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.